Hello everybody, tonight we make something special. My son, he was going vacation in Italy, and when he was over there, he was eating pizza. He said to me, he was eating pizza with a fig. Now, what I did today, I was making my own pizza dough. If somebody don't know to make this pizza dough, I got the recipe on YouTube, and you can click someplace. I don't know, I'm another computer man. My son is the computer man. But everybody know the click, and you got the recipe for the pizza. Now, what I got to use, I got the goat cheese, pecorino cheese. So you want to use Parmesan cheese? It's fine. I got my own fig falside, all my arugula, it's falside, and this is the prosciutto. I got the balsamic vinegar over here you need. Okay, now this is my pizza dough. I put right over here, but we need flour. Okay, I put a little flour on the top.
Please subscribe to watch more.
When I take out. All right. And now we got to roll on this. But look at this, how beautiful look at this one. I got the barbecue outside already on. And I think it reached already the heat, like maybe 500 degrees. Okay, now, this is I gotta put the pizza over here. I got a little semolina, and we use a little semolina on a bowl like this, the pizza no stick. Now, we put the pizza on the top, and we make it nice, like this. Now, I don't put a knot on the top, yeah. I want put on a barbecue for maybe 1 minute. Only the dough, the pizza dough, to make it nice, firm, after I bring it right inside. Okay, now, this was stay a minute and a half, and this is ready now. And I gotta start to decorate what I need on this. First thing, we need a little oil. Like this. And now we start with the goat cheese. Now the goat cheese I cut with my finger, and we pour every place the pizza. Okay, now we got the fig. This fig is from my tree. I got outside really good fig. I got the black and the white. It come out really good, this fig. Maybe a little while more, I gotta start, because the fig start to be maybe maybe the 15th or the 20th of September, the fig start to be low. And maybe I make the marmellata di fighi. Okay, we put a little pecorino cheese, like I say. You can use the Parmigiano cheese. It's okay, it's good. Everything cheese, the pizza, it like cheese. And let's go now on a barbecue again, and we gotta put this on a barbecue. Okay, now the barbecue still it's 500 degrees. And we put the pizza right inside now. And now we gotta wait when it's be ready. And we gotta check once in a while to make sure everything.
Please subscribe to watch more.
Okay, now the pizza take about 10 minutes. What do you think? I gotta stay over here 10 minutes, look in my room over here? No way. Hey, I got my wine. I got my pecorino cheese over here. And what I do, I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin with my pecorino cheese. I don't want to stay over here with no drink. Salud, chin chin. It's really good. It's really good. The prosciutto. Hey, I want to taste the prosciutto too. What do you think? I'm over here. Only cook, prosciutto, pecorino cheese, and ham. Really good. Salud e cin cin. 10 minutes, we pick up the pizza. And we come back over here, and I pour more oil, and I drink more oil. Okay, it's about 10 minutes, and the pizza look a nice, beautiful look. Okay, and we take it out. And let's go inside. Okay, look how nice look this pizza. I don't care what everybody say. You cook a pizza like this, look how nice. But you go buy pizza, it run away from you. This one, it not run away from me. It's a nice pizza. Now, listen to the arugula. What I gotta do, I put a little oil on the top, and I wanna mix. I was washing my hands, everything, and mix the arugula a little bit. I put a little oil, not too much, okay? And we put the arugula. Look at this. This is really nice arugula. Okay. I think the arugula, it's enough. I don't want to cover all my feet. Okay. Now, it's time of the prosciutto. Il prosciutto. And now, look at this. And we put like that. Look at this. I want to enjoy it tonight with the nice pizza, a nice little wine. What do you say? Okay, salute chin chin to everybody. Well, I don't want to wait this wine. I gotta have more. Okay, good. Okay, now the last thing I gotta put is the balsamic vinegar. Un po' di acid. Acid do vinegar. And we put, come on, vinegar, it's too thick. Come on.
Please subscribe to watch more.
Oh, stop. Look how beautiful. Look at the color of this vinegar. Oh. Okay, now, where's my cutter? It's right over here. And let's do this. Oh, look how nice. Oh, nice, crispy. Hey. Good. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I want to get a nice piece for me over here. All right. Now, hey, not run away from me, Fig. Hey, I got over here. Look at this. Now, let me test it. It's really good. I want to say to everybody, salute chin chin. I hope somebody make this pizza. Hey, kumba, madonna, come saprite sta pizza? Really good. My son, he told me to make this. I was make delicious.